Richard Scarry's Sounds of Busy Town. It's a wonderful day in busy town. What a busy street. Something is always happening here. It's a busy street. There are drugs, books, supermarket, clothing, barber, post office, fire company. So many shops are there. The cat family stops at the market for yummy fruits and vegetables. Mommy also buys meat from the friendly butcher. Please watch where you are going. Mr. Frumble. The cat family passes the railroad station. Two noisy trains are pulling into the station. And the train. Wow, the airport is always busy and very noisy. Planes and helicopters take off and land all day long. Aeroplane, helicopter, aeroplane, helicopter. The harbor is full of boats. Fishermen return with a boat full of fish. And meanwhile, a crane operator loads cargo onto a ship. The captain blows the horn. Ship. There are lots of chores to do at home. Yes. Daddy and Lolly Worm fix things in the workshop. These are the sounds. Mommy, Sally and Huckle work in the yard. The lawnmower sure is loud. Okay, bye.